As we know, water is a living need for all human beings. Clean water is critical to survival of life in any ecosystem. Rapid economy development has begun to create agriculture pollution and also urban degradation. There are many ways which cause the water pollution, such as agriculture sector that affect the water quality, and it very harmful to all living things. Therefore, the more importance to test the water quality used to check the water reservoir, water agriculture, and also household activity. Let's dig deeper in agriculture sector that cause the water pollution, which is eutrophication. So eutrophication is caused by the inorganic nutrient enrichment of natural water that leading to increased production of algae and macrophyte. The availability of nutrients such as nitrate and phosphorus limit the growth of plant life in ecosystem. When water become overly enriched with this nutrient, the growth of algae and plankton is developed rapidly, so that the water turbidity will increase and the pH level also will change. So, what is the effect of eutrophication? So, eutrophication will increase the water turbidity from clear to cloudy, and also it will increase the pH level from natural, which is 7 pH, to 12 or alkalic. Yes. So water turbidity and also what pH level of water, we will develop the water quality monitoring to inspect the turbidity level of the water and also the pH level. So there are difference between the conventional method and proposed method. So conventional method that currently be used, water monitoring normally performed by the government, including weekly leaks. So after that, conventional method also based on the sample collection on site analysis performed in the laboratory. The analysis currently is lack of continuous monitoring of system. So with that being said, we will use the light detection sensor to check the turbidity level, and also it very conventional for to everyone to be used. And also pH level sensor can be used to check the pH level, and also IoT and real-time implementation of water quality monitoring. We can conclude the eutrophication phenomenon that occur in agriculture water reservoir can increase the nitrate and phosphorus level in water, which is lead to the produce of algae growth. The oxygen level will decrease. Meanwhile, turbidity of water will increase. The pH level also will be increased. The motivation to create this project is because the issue that occur in our water quality. So water reservoir for agriculture and household activity are very polluted. Presence of microorganisms that produce algae as their subproduct. Water turbidity and pH level are not in normal condition. So there are limitations for the conventional method that motivate me to propose the system. So the conventional method limitation for water quality system is dependency of manual sampling analysis, lack of funding for advanced water treatment, and also lastly, high operational costs. So the proposed system will use the sensor that detect water turbidity and pH level. It is very non-intrusive that doesn't need to manual sampling analysis. It is a very cheap and cost-efficient system. Uh, Lastly, it's integrated with the IoT monitoring objective of this project. So, for the aim, we will design a portable water quality inspection that integrate with the F-Mini S LiDAR and pH sensor. Also, IoT monitoring system as an efficient way to approach real-time monitoring water assessment. Then, for the objective of this project, firstly, we will design the prototype of water quality inspection system. Then, we will develop the real-time portable water quality inspection combined with the F-Mini S LiDAR, pH sensor, and also IoT monitoring system. Lastly, we will evaluate the proposed design using statistical engineering analysis such as simulation and also experiment result. Example of paper that I have reviewed and researched. So I will just go on about the turbidity level that have been checked, pH level, and also IoT monitoring system. Okay, paper that I have research and study, we can conclude that TF-S LiDAR is suitable to detect the transparency of the water due to its cost and also efficiency. So this sensor also equipped with a time of flight that can measure the distance for object far 12 meter. Hypothetically, the signal of TF-S LiDAR will increase due to increase of water transparency due to intensity of polarization of light propagate in obstacle in water. That's why the the signal strength of the LiDAR will be increased if the water is clear. Various sensor that used for the system is the commercial electroprobe that can measure pH level. And lastly, the IoT monitoring system, real-time data storage and display and analysis will be included. So the purpose of this project is to make a non-intrusive system to check the water quality inspection to check the water. So for the methodology for this part, we designed the prototype system prototype by using the SolidWorks software and also Arduino IDE. After we have done the first part, we will develop the prototype. For the mechanical part, we will fabricate all the part that we have be designed in SolidWorks software. And for the electronic part, we will design the PCB and also include the sensor box in our system. So after that, we will integrate the boss part. That is for the objective 1 and objective 2. Meanwhile, objective 3 that I have not done yet will be further in next semester. Let's move to the prototype design and development. So for our project, we will replicate the actual situation with a tomographic acrylic piping system that monitor the turbidity of water inside the clay pipe. So for the design of tomography acrylic piping system, we will split into the four part, which is a support system, sensor jig, hardware control system, and also cloud platform for the data storage analysis. So for the support stand and sensor jig, we will use the SolidWorks software to design the 3D part. Then we will fabricate into the actual product. Then for the hardware control system, we will use the Arduino IDE and also EasyADA software to create the PCB and schematic system for our water quality inspection, water quality monitoring sensor, and also cloud platform will be use the February software to develop the real-time monitoring data. So let's proceed to the support stand. So support stand is made of stainless steel that has high durability, while the sensor jig is a casing for the microcontroller and sensor that will be used. And not to mention that it is easy to install and also portable. Then for the hardware control system, yes, we will use the ESP32 as a microcontroller to provide the real-time data monitoring. We will also use TFNS LiDAR to detect water turbidity, phase sensor to detect the pH level of the water. So the IoT platform will be the Fabriate, which is to provide our real-time data storage and display and analysis. See on the screen is a support stand, which is I use the SolidWorks for the schematic design. Also the development, we will fabricate using the stainless steel. So you can see for the support stand. This is our sensor jig. We will use a velcro meter to wrap the sensor and our microcontroller box onto the pipe. So this is the final prototype model that have been fabricated. So for the demonstration, we will use the we will use cloudy water for check the turbidity level of signal strength or signal strength of the LiDAR. Then we will wait until 5 minutes until the water to be clear. So the expected result, the increase the turbidity of the water, the signal strength of the TF-S LiDAR will decrease. The presence of the algae will increase the pH level and make the water basically liquid. So you can, as we can see on the graph, the the water quality, the water turbidity will be decreased due to presence of time. With that being said, project significant for my water quality monitoring system is basically to check the water quality monitoring for the water acidity, transparency, and also detect contamination, ensuring a throughout assessment of water quality. It also have the early detection for contaminant, which is continuous monitoring for environmental impact assessment for sustainable resource and management. Lastly, I would like to propose the idea for the educational and awareness purpose. It's valuable for educational association and community outreach program. Project learning that I have created for the friends that I have been study and read. So that's all for me. Thank you.